Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, September the 21st, 2021. I've done three puzzles, 3 stars, the 4 stars, and a binary. Now it's time for the Tectonic and the Sudoku. I only do 5 out of 9 in this additional. First, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3427. Alright, 3427. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. We have here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Alright. So let's get started. And before I start, question to you. Can we see here the single box? I cannot see any single boxes. So there are no single boxes because the single boxes are always a 1. Dual box, I see here 1 dual box. Dual box is always the 1 and the 2. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple box, I see here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. And the 3, yes. I cannot fill this yet, but I know the inside box of the middle box, the inside box, is always the 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. This should be a 5. Okay, so 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. Triple box, quadra box. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Well, so the following strategy is now to recognize some shapes or figures or construction, structure, whatever, you name it. For example, here I missed the quadra box. This is a quadra box. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. And if you see a quadra box in an L shape, the inside box is always the 5. Okay. Alright, I overlooked this one. No quadra boxes. Here, another quadra box. Overlooked. So this box should be a 5. Alright, the inside box. Alright, so the next strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape. If you see this shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes here, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Then this shape. Okay. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. This box, same number as that box. I missed this one, overlooked. But rotated. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Here. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. So now I have 2 numbers left in this triple box, the 1 and the 2. We have filled the 3 here. So the 1 and the 2. Yeah. Those, no. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? The L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 3 of them. So now let's get starting filling the numbers, because that's the next step. Let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. We have here a 2, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Wait. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 1 and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1 or a 2. In this dual box, can it be a 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Then this box cannot be a 1, because we have a double 1 here. That box cannot be a 1, because we have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can it be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. two numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, this box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 3. So the 1 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 3. So one number left in this quadrat box for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 here. That means if I place a 1 in that box, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. This box should be a 2. And that box should be a 1. Okay. Then. 3, 1, 2. Let me think. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those two boxes. 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 2 here. The 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also the 3 or a 1. 3 or 1. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2. That means that this box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So and that box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 here. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. This box cannot be a 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Okay. Think. 3, yeah. This box cannot be a 3 or cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here, double 3 there. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this area for the number 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 3 or a 1. We have a double 3 and a double 1 here. That box cannot be a 3 or double 1 or a 1. We have a double 3 and double 1 there. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. This box cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. One box left in this area for the number 5. Okay. Yeah, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then these two boxes cannot be a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 3 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2 and I've eliminated the 4, because those are reserved for the 3 and a 1. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. 3 and the 1, that means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, these two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those two boxes. What we see here, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then these two boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here and 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. That means that this box is connected, should be also the 1 and the 4 and not the 2. But I see here a 4, so it cannot be a 4, it should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. Now we have 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great puzzle. Great Tectonic. Is it the 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 70 minutes. Is this a 3 stars then? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. So it's a 2 stars. Alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the Sudoku mix. Killer Sudoku. a.k.a. Yes. See you then. Bye-bye for now.